Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, we will be giving guys one or two updates. So, if you're interested in the updates, all you just have to do is go to the comment section. You'll find the link to the Telegram. Click on the link and follow us so you stay updated. Now, let's start with this movement on GBP JPY. We all know that markets give us three movements. It's either market is trending to the upside, or it is trending to the downside, or it is literally ranging. So what can we see here? Market is clearly trending to the upside. So this is our trend. Our trend on GBP JPY is an uptrend move. So if we start it from here, so we will start this movement from the year 2020, and now we are currently in 2024. So you can see that for it's going to 5 years now, we'll be having straight movement to the upside. Market has been going bullish, by the way. So now we would want to see what we'll be expecting this week on GBP JPY. So if we take a look at GBP JPY, first of all, our trend is to the upside, right? So basically that means we should be looking for a buy opportunity. We should be looking for more opportunity to actually take the buy. So let's see, probably if markets will drop to tap this support level. Reason why I'm calling this as a support level, because if you have to see something like this, markets came to this level, right? It gave us a pullback, eventually broke above it, came to test this level. You can see it. Now market has gone up and it looks like it is actually pushing. So if it drops and tap this support level, then that would be a good opportunity for us to go long again on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY is likely to come to tap this support level twice before it start pushing on. So our bias for this week on GBPJPY is still to the upside, but have it in mind that a pullback is likely to play out. So stay updated with us by following us on our Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section.